శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 620th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము సభాపర్వము 69th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaj, saying like this, O Raja, Draupadi Devi was dragged into the assembly by Dushasana. At that time, Patita Vilalapa, Draupadi even fell down. And now Draupadi Devi, while crying in that assembly, she is saying like this, I was never seen by anyone any time in the past. I have been raised. I was always in Rajabhavanam. Yam na vayuhu na cha adityaha drushtavantau pura gruhe. I was not even seen by wind or Surya. To that extent, I was raised so delicately. And that kind of woman I am now. Saham adya sabha madhye drusyasmi janasamsadi. Today, into this assembly, into this so many people, I have been dragged. And while it is going on, all my Pandavas were just enduring this. Pandavas were taking care of me so delicately. But today, they just have to witness all this. They can't even bear when the wind was touching me. To that extent, they also took care of me. But today, while this Dushasana is dragging me into this assembly and touching me, all my Pandavas are just witnessing everything and enduring everything. I am the daughter-in-law of this Kuru Vamsam. Such woman I am now totally getting insulted in this assembly. There would not be more severe insult than this. Not only I am a woman, but also I always observe great amount of chastity. I don't see that there would be any more severe sin, insult and horrible act than this. What happened to the dharmam? What happened to all these kings' dharmam? Now everything is destroyed. All the dharmam is destroyed by these Kauravas. Bharya Pandunam, I am the wife of Pandavas. Parshatasya Svasasati, I am the sister of Drishtadyumna. Vasudevasya Chasaki, I am the sister of Sakshat Vasudeva. Such women I am now being dragged and insulted and touched by this Dushasana in the middle of this Kauravas assembly while all these kings are witnessing. This is horrible. This cannot be happening to me. Like that, Draupadi Devi screaming, crying, questioning all the people in that assembly. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.